Today we are going to say goodbye to fine lines and hello to lifted beauty. So hi beauties, I'm Dawn Gallagher, beauty and wellness advisor, and today I will be introducing you to the ZIIP Halo. It's a cute little device and it's an advanced skincare device. As a beauty enthusiast, I am always looking for non-surgical lifting devices and alternatives to Botox. And what I love most about the ZIIP Halo, it is the easiest device to use. And it is the only device that uses both the microcurrent and the nano-current, which is the dual waveform technology that gives ZIIP Halo its superpower. Ladies, if you use my discount code HaloDawn, you'll get 10% off both your gel and your ZIIP Halo. So what is microcurrent? Microcurrent are those electrical waveforms you can feel. So just like in a workout, it lifts and tones on a muscular level. So you'll see smooth lines, more definition, and a lifted appearance. Now the nano-current is ZIIP's secret weapon that gives you lasting results. Now this works on a cellular level to repair and rejuvenate your skin from within. So you'll see a glowing complexion, reduced lines and wrinkles, and balanced, smooth skin. Now for me, I have been especially concerned with puffiness in the morning, but this little baby does the trick. Now this works on a muscular level, which increases blood circulation to stimulate collagen production. So let's say goodbye to those costly powders and creams and hello to ZIIP Halo. Their conductor gel is so soothing to the skin, and they have both the electric complex gel or the golden gel. Now both are super easy to apply, but make sure you apply a liberal amount. Now the ZIIP Halo comes with a really cool app that you can download that explains how to use the device, and it also has a quick start guide. Now I like to alternate between the lift and the all-inclusive on the lift app. Best results are seen after 3 to 5 times a week. You'll see a difference right away, but the real results will be after 6 weeks. Remember to be patient. The more consistently you use the ZIIP Halo, the more you're going to see the results. Okay, so let's get started on how to use this beautiful little device. Step 1, you're going to apply 4 to 8 pumps of the electric complex gel on clean, dry skin. Then you're going to turn on the device. Step 2, you're going to connect the ZIIP app to follow the video tutorials for your treatments. Now, once the device is on, touch both globes to your skin and start lifting in up and out motions like this. Now step 3, once your treatment is completed, wash off your gel, wipe down your device, and store safely. You want to treat your entire face in 4 to 12 minutes. Super easy with one-click treatments. Or you can focus on specific areas. For me, I like to focus on my lips and the area around the eyes, and that'll take about 2 to 3 minutes. The ZIIP Halo will the app will lead you and guide you to whatever specific treatment you choose and what's convenient for you. Ladies, I have to tell you, this is truly an investment in your skincare's future, because we know how expensive Botox sessions are, and the ZIIP Halo offers long-term benefits at a fraction of the cost. So for me, I would rather invest in a ZIIP Halo than have to spend Botox treatments every few months. So ladies, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. All the links will be in the description below so you can get this device. And I want to thank my beautiful community of women for your support and your kindness. I would also like to thank ZIIP Halo for their partnership and this amazing device. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.